Hello! I hope everyone has had a restful and joyful Easter break. This term we will be looking at seasides. We will identify its key features and where they're located. We will also understand how they're used and we will compare their environment to our own. This lesson will explore 4 types of seaside located in 4 areas of the UK. By the end of this video, you should be able to know where a seaside would be located. Before we begin, let's have a look at some key words to help us understand our topic. Coast. The coast, also known as the coastline, is an area where land meets the sea. Settlements. So settlements are places where people live, for example a town, a village or a city. Aerial view. An aerial view is a view from above. For example, if you were on a plane, you would be able to see an aerial view of land or sea. Map. A map is a picture of an area of land or sea. We usually use a map to help us get from one place to another if we don't know the way. Have a look at this picture. Have you been here before? Pause this video and discuss with the person next to you if you have or would like to visit this place. This is a picture of a seaside. A seaside is a place by the sea where people visit to enjoy the sun, sea and sand. The seaside is always located by the coast. Remember, coast means by the sea. Have a look at the 2 aerial view pictures below. Pause this video and talk to the person next to you. Which settlement would have a seaside? London City or Brighton Pier? Well done! It is Brighton Pier. As you can see, it's by the coast. You will not find a seaside in the city as it's not by the coast. Let's have a look at some seasides around the UK. But before we do so, can you remember the 4 countries in the UK? Below is a map. Together, let's locate each country. If you would like to do this on your own, please pause the video and name the countries yourself. We have Scotland, England, Wales, Ireland. Ireland is different to the other countries because they are independent, but they are still located in the UK. If we have a look at this map, we can find the coast is around this part of the UK. This blue part is the sea. So all seasides will be located on the outer part of the UK, like this. Let's have a closer look at the seasides in these countries. Let's have a look at the coast of Scotland. Here we have Aberdeen. Aberdeen is one of many places by the coast, and this is one seaside. Here you can see land meets the sea. So now let's have a look at the coast of England. One popular seaside many people like to go to is Brighton. Here. And it's located at the bottom on the edge of the country. If we go to the coast of Wales, we can see Cardiff. and this is one seaside in Cardiff. And lastly, if we look around the coast of Ireland, we can see Dublin. There will be many other seasides around the coast of these countries, but these are just a few examples. So remember, you will always find a seaside around the coastline of each country. Your task now is to take the short quiz to test what you've learnt so far about seasides.